very warm welcome to all you lovely people sitting out there. दोस्तों आज है बुधवार और एक बार फिर से हम लेकर आ गए हैं आप ही का फेवरेट प्रोग्राम यानी गुड इवनिंग इंडिया। वेल एज यू ऑल नो आपकी और हमारी मुलाकात हर बुधवार शाम को 4 बजे होती है और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते भी हैं कि ये एक ऐसा कार्यक्रम है जिसमें हम आपको मिलवाते हैं पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल walks of life, from any genre, from any subject, but they choose to be the professionals in their specific genre who've obviously accomplished a lot in their lives and come over here to share their experiences with all of you. तो चलिए आज के प्रोग्राम की हम शुरुआत करते हैं and there's a lot lined up for all of you today. So in case you're not right now in front of TVs, तो टीवी के सामने आकर बैठ जाइए because हमारा कार्यक्रम शुरू हो गया और आज का हमारा पहला सेगमेंट रहेगा क्लाइमेट चेंज के ऊपर। Well, we all talk about protecting the planet Earth, how much do we love Earth और हमें किस तरह से उसको बचाना चाहिए, लेकिन are we actually doing our bit to protect the planet Earth? That is one of the most important questions. कह तो हर कोई सकता है लेकिन कितने लोग करते हैं एक छोटा सा एफर्ट अपनी ओर से। आज हमारे साथ क्लाइमेट चेंज और उसके पूरे सिवियर इफेक्ट्स के ऊपर बात करने के लिए यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं एक बहुत ही जाने माने शख्सियत। जी हाँ, ही इज अ पर्सन whom we've interviewed earlier also, D.H. Pai Panandikar जी। ही इज द चेयरमैन इंटरनेशनल लाइफ साइंस इंस्टीट्यूट इंडिया। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है पनांडिकर जी।
थैंक यू।
वेल, जैसा कि अभी हमने अपने दर्शकों को बताया भी कि हर इंसान आज के ज़माने में बात करता है लेट अस गो एंड प्रोटेक्ट द प्लैनेट अर्थ, बट इट जस्ट नीड्स अ वेरी स्मॉल एफर्ट फ्रॉम आवर एंड टू एक्चुअली कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स प्रोटेक्टिंग द प्लैनेट अर्थ। अगर हम बात करें इस सब चीज़ों के बारे में सबसे पहले तो क्लाइमेट चेंज अपने आप में होता क्या है?
Climate change is a change in the weather pattern over a extended period. आप देख लीजिए 2014 आपको मालूम ही होगा वो the warmest year so far. Warmest year so far.
Yes.
Climate मतलब टेम्परेचर इतना क्यों बढ़ गया है? और not only that, you see the first 3 months of this year, they were the hottest days recorded in history. So
Oh my God, that's a lot.
ये जो हो रहा है, this is really a kind of climate change. और उसके मतलब जो effects होते हैं वो काफ़ी devastating होते हैं. So it is very important for us that we should not deny that there is climate change, because there are a number of people who think no, this is something which nature has done. It is something which man has done.
Yes.
And we cannot ignore it anymore.
Correct.
So we should have action, starting with action on various fronts in order to see that this climate change is either minimized
or controlled.
Yeah, controlled.
Or mitigated somewhere. Okay, when we talk about climate change also, पनांडिकर जी आपने बताया जिस तरह से दिल्ली की अगर हम बात करें, दिल्ली अपने आप में बहुत ही populated state है and the amount of pollution levels that have taken a rise, it's unbelievable. So what are the major factors जो आप देखते हैं कहीं ना कहीं contribute towards climate change?
See, the main source of pollution or the main source of what they call global warming is the emissions which are coming out from a number of sources.
Yes.
Now, for instance, it is power plants. Power plants are huge polluters.
Yes.
Cement plants are again huge polluters. And as you see, cars emitting smoke, trucks emitting smoke. This coal-based heating up of the machines and the diesel, use of diesel. So what happens is in these emissions you get carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, methane and other toxic gases which have accumulated over the years.
Yes.
And raised the temperature of earth, of atmosphere and of the oceans. So this is the impact of the emissions which have been taking place over
Which
a
is
period
very
of
wrong.
time.
ये अपने आप में बहुत गलत चीज़ है कि इतने ज़्यादा हार्श एमिशंस हो रहे हैं। ये सिर्फ कहीं ना कहीं अगर देखें आपकी जो गैसेस का जो टेम्परेचर लेवल है वही नहीं, उसके साथ साथ कितनी और साइड इफेक्ट्स लेके आ रहे हैं। लाइक दे ऑल्सो लीड टू एक्सेसिव लेवल्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन। कितनी सारी ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती हैं, रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स लोगों को हो रही हैं। ऑल दिस इज समवेयर बीइंग कॉज्ड ऑब्वियसली बाय द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर दैट इज हैपनिंग।
Yeah, absolutely. Now, there is an intergovernmental panel on climate change. This has been appointed by the United Nations. And they have done extensive studies of this. So, since 1980, so far, there is an increase in temperature of 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
My God.
So, this, you know, both the humans as well as other animals and fish and birds, they are very sensitive to this climate change. And it's quite possible that you know, very devastating effects will follow because this climate change is taking place.
Right.
Now, first of all, you see what is happening to the Arctic. Arctic is full
The ice
of
is melting.
ice.
Yes.
Now, this ice is melting. Already 13% of the ice has melted. And this melted ice, which means the coming into the ocean. And the ocean level is slowly rising,
Yes.
which means there are islands which now will be submerged into the ocean.
Right.
They will not be visible anymore. Number of, for instance, there are number of islands in Indonesia which will
Yes,
just
Maldives
go
also
under.
comes in the list
Which
of
will
that,
just go under,
which is at the highest risk in fact.
yeah.
Yes. So अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों को देखें कहीं ना कहीं जो इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर के जो लेवल्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, वन ऑफ द इफेक्ट्स ऑब्वियसली इज द आइस इज गेटिंग मेल्टेड. द अदर वेरी सीरियस इफेक्ट कुड बी ऑन मानसून्स. And how important a role do they play for a nation like India, which is, we should say, 70% driven by the farmers?
You are absolutely right. You know, the increase in temperature will affect what is called the El Nino, the disturbances which take place in near South America, but their effect you see on the monsoons. The monsoon is coming all the way from there to India, Australia, other countries. So, this will have a very severe effect on the monsoon. Now, what will happen? एक तो ये हो जाएगा कि we will get more water than we are getting now. So, there can be floods, there can be you know, the water running very fast, which the water normally what happens is percolates into the ground if the rain is not very heavy. If there is heavy rain, water rushes out into the sea. So, what will happen is that one is temperature rise, the other is monsoon will be irregular. The expectation is that the monsoon will come earlier than what it is coming now. Now the monsoon starts say beginning of June.
Correct.
Till about September. So, it will come earlier and it will not be regular. I mean, rain will not be regular. You will get periods of heavy rain.
And then there would be very
And
low
then
rains
there will
and
be
probably
periods
low
of
rains.
absolute drought.
Yes, yes.
This is-
Extremes, matlab.
Yeah,
हाँ.
extremes. You know, this is very bad for crops.
Yes.
And particularly in the south where the rice is grown, they require that the water remains under the water
Crops
remains
in
in
the
the
mud.
crop, in the mud for quite some time, for 2 months or so. But the crop must be a little above the level.
हाँ.
But this one, what will happen is if there is heavy rain, then the whole field will be underwater.
Yes.
The crop will be underwater, which
And
means you will
marjayega.
not get any rice, you know, during the summer. So these are the kind of devastating effects which can follow.
Yes.
Then again, the oceans have not only the temperature gone up, they have become acidic because of the carbon dioxide
That's
and all
being
the other
emitted out
things.
into the
Yeah.
atmosphere. हाँ.
So we will not be able to get the fish because fish is very sensitive to temperatures and the acidity. So fish will die. So there is another big consequence which will follow from that. Then you will have again things like floods coming. suddenly there will be a huge flood. I think 2 years back we had a similar problem in the where Jharkhand, in the upper hills of Jharkhand. So there again this same problem came, the huge floods, water sort of everywhere, and the problems of communications and so on. So these are the kind of unthinkable things which are
that can
going to
happen
take
obviously.
place, yeah.
But अगर इन सब चीज़ों को देखें कहीं ना कहीं पन्नाटकर जी, तो जैसे आपने बताया अभी, you've told us so many consequences that can be the result of climate warming and climate getting heated up, and obviously there were even reports at one point that a major part of the earth would actually get drowned in 2012 as per a Chinese calendar, which was obviously had been stated because of climate change and its effects that would happen. But in the longer run also, are we somewhere towards the losing end where we could actually be facing things like this, where because of climate warming and because of the amount of heat that is being emitted, which results in somewhere the glaciers being melted, the results and the chances of getting drowned are at a much more higher risk?
Yeah, there is a great risk. I mean, of course, it will take a long time for the land mass to come underwater, because that will require the whole of Arctic is melted.
Very right.
So that will take a very, very long time. But the thing is that water level of the oceans is going to increase. Has already increased and is going to increase further. So particularly the islands which are there, they will be underwater.
Yes.
Land mass, there also in the Himalayas, for instance, there are indications that ice is melting, and glaciers are melting. So there are indications also that this thing is happening.
Correct.
So that water comes to the Ganges. So this water which is melted will again come to Ganges, and if it is melting more than what is required, then the Ganges will be in floods.
Yes.
So these things
it could just
are
in fact recently we even had seasonal rains, and that, as we were just now also talking, that can also be very, very devastating. It just results into somewhere flooding happening, as a result of which the crops die out, and it leads to major loss for the farmers, because it results in such drastic results like hailstorms happening for the environment also.
Yeah, quite right. I mean, if you get irregular rains, which is again one of the consequences which can follow, then number of people, and particularly the farmers who are depending on the crops, suddenly find that this year, for instance, number of farms have been underwater, and at a time when the crops were ripening. So it's only if the rains had been delayed by 15 days, the farmers would have got their crops in. But that did not happen, and a number of farmers have lost their livelihood, and the government has been forced to sort of supplement their incomes. So I think this is going to be a very big challenge, and we have to face it. We have to see that the rigor of climate change is reduced by taking appropriate steps. And the other thing is to adapt to this change to the extent that it is inevitable.
Very right, very right. In fact, let me ask you one more thing, which is, how does electricity usage for that matter, contribute towards climate change and global warming?
Yeah, it is the industrialization process, and particularly electricity. Electricity, which is based on coal, it emits a lot of carbon dioxide, which is the cause for global warming. So electricity is one of the major source of climate change. Now, number of people have shifted to other fuels. Now, both coal and diesel, they are big pollutants. So there is a shift to this nuclear power. There is a shift to this solar power, and there are in fact number of villages in Germany which depend entirely on solar power.
Kitchen, yes.
So I mean, we
In fact,
have
there's a
to
place
go in-
also in this thing. There's a place in Oroville also that depends on solar kitchen and its
Yeah,
usage,
yeah.
because it's somewhere more healthy and it somewhere also leads to protecting the earth much
Yeah,
more
and
better.
there is no cost. I mean, there is no
Yes.
pollution. There
It's
is no cost.
easy, cheap, and convenient also.
I mean, all that you need is solar panels,
Yeah.
and they absorb the heat, turn it into electricity, and you have got a self-sufficient village,
Yes.
which doesn't need any more electricity from outside.
That is very right. It's one of the most, should we say, healthy ways of cooking, because in itself, it's not using any kind of a harmful radiation or external sources,
Correct.
which can somewhere harm the body at the end of the day. But if we just talk about these things, keeping apart, we've talked about irregular rainfall also. Droughts is one of the other results that can happen as a result of climate change also.
Absolutely.
What do you see that as being one of the most serious results of climate change?
Yeah, this is, as I said, I mean, you get floods and droughts, you see. This is a combination which is going to happen. So we have to take precautions. So when there is a heavy rainfall, we should not allow this water to rush into the sea.
Yes.
It is very important that this water is
Controlled.
controlled. I mean, it is sort of using dams or using small tanks. You capture this water and keep it in store. So when when there is no rain and you find that there is a lack of water, you can use this water for irrigating your crops.
Very right.
And also, I mean, when you stop the water from draining into the sea, you are stopping the water which then goes into the ground, and the water table there, you know, it is taken up.
Yes.
So at the moment the water table has gone down quite a lot. So this water, rainwater, capturing rainwater is absolutely necessary for us, particularly because we
For the
depend so
farmers.
much on rain.
Yes, yes. In fact, you've pointed out a very important thing. Just to the next point, जो मैं आपसे पूछने वाली थी अभी बात करते करते कि these have been the results, or should we say the factors that cause climate change. But if we were to somehow just protect such severe effects of climate change, तो one of the most important actions आप क्या होंगे सोचेंगे कि लेने चाहिए to protect such adverse effects of climate change?
I would suggest that first, with electricity plants, you know, the emissions must be controlled. The CO2 or the carbon dioxide which comes out of it, or methane gas. So that must be kept. We have to have new techniques for this, so that these emissions, even when they are there, they are not harmful. The second thing is the cars and trucks. I think this is again a major source of pollution and major source of climate change. So I think this is also very important, that cars, we must see that car doesn't have emissions, trucks don't have any emission. Use as far as possible pure fuel. I mean, it
That's
should not be
right,
diesel, but diesel should be refined into
Yes.
finer fuel. You see. So these are the ways of reducing the emissions and reducing the global warming. So on this, a lot of discussions have taken place at the United Nations.
But one very important thing, since you're telling about how can we somewhere control climate change, don't you think in a country like India, जहाँ पे most of the time sewage disposal जो होता है roads पे होता है, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा cleanliness और hygiene को लेके follow नहीं करते. One of the major reasons being कि 80% हमारी जो economy है वो rural है, तो लोग बहुत बार garbage और sewage disposal ऐसे फेंक देते हैं, which results in clogging up the rivers, and as a result the water gets polluted, and hence जितना ज़्यादा ही urbanization होता चला जा रहा है, expand कर रहा है, it's all somewhere coming in the vicious circle of
Absolutely.
leading towards a climate change.
Yeah. I mean, even that garbage, you know, emits gases. So there is, I mean, nowadays what happens is that this garbage is a source of energy.
Yes, right.
So this garbage can be used to generate electricity. So garbage is not just waste; it is waste management. If we
Yes.
do,
That needs to be done rightly.
that
Yes.
needs to be immediately. If we do that, there will be, I mean, roads will be clean, the emissions will be lower, and you will find
And even
also
the water will
generation
get clean.
Yeah.
The water would also contribute. But it's a very sad state. Just this brings to my mind, मेरे दिमाग में आता है, when we go to Varanasi and वहाँ पे हम आरती होते हुए देखते हैं. So the amount of clutter that people do in the rivers over there, in the name of God, that happens in the river. Do you really think that's a good thing somewhere?
No, it must be controlled, because we
Yes.
have to have clean rivers.
Right?
And I think the way we have misused
That's
these
completely.
rivers is
It's
terrible.
just
I mean,
the vice versa of waste management somewhere.
the government has taken Ganga.
The
as
Ganga project, the Ganga Ma project, yes.
as a major project
Yes.
that they want to address. So I think this is the right thing to do, but people's cooperation is very necessary here. I mean, government can do only that much, but if people, do the damage, then how can you protect the?
Very right. In fact, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that has also been started by the government, the present government, has also been somewhere taken, keeping in mind the adverse effects of climate change that can happen in the long run.
Yeah.
In fact, but इन सब चीज़ों को अगर आप देखते हैं, so हमने बात जैसे से करी, आप बता रहे थे कि किस तरीके से we can somewhere just be factors towards preventing such adverse effects of climate change. इसके अंदर अगर हम थोड़ा सा और देखें, what other factors do you think need to be controlled immediately ताकि climate change के adverse effects long run में धीमे धीमे करके रोके जा सके?
See, what we should
Apart
do,
from electricity and waste management जो आपने
we
बताया
should
है.
avoid wastage of power, wastage of water, wastage of many other things that we do, wastage of even food.
In fact, don't you think even plastics should be banned completely?
Yeah,
They need to be completely banned out.
yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, that is if each family, each person addresses to these issues, that I will economize on power. Switch off the lights when you are not in the room or in the house. It can save so much of electricity, which means you are really using less
Very right.
fuel.
Very
for
right.
that.
Very right. In fact, when you talk about water also, हमारे घर में इतना water आता है, and there are people who are not getting water, लेकिन then there are some people, households that get excess water. So अगर हम चाहें उस पानी को भी अच्छे से utilize कर सकते हैं, we could use the water for watering plants,
Yeah.
for washing the cars, or just somewhere just keeping the ROs का जो use हम कर ही रहे हैं घर में, urban population की हम खास तौर से बात करें, they can very well be using water in the right way, in small amounts of way also.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
And even the wastewater can be recycled.
Very right. हाँ.
And you will get water which can be used for a number of things like washing, cleaning and so on.
Yeah, that can be utilized and not just drained out. और अगर हम बात करें इसके साथ साथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की भी, तो जैसे घर में है, हम कभी बैठे हुए हैं, सो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जरूरी नहीं कि हर जगह पंखे चलते रहें,
हाँ.
या हम लाइट्स को ऑन छोड़ दें. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि एक रूम से आप दूसरे
Yeah,
रूम में जाएं,
exactly.
just switch off the light.
Switch
It just
off.
takes a small little effort to
Yeah.
close it out there. And there's another thing that's being said is to have a certain amount of plants in the house, a little amount of greenery, which can in a way somewhere contribute towards protecting climate change के adverse effects in a small way. What would you like to say on that? कि greenery थोड़ी सी बढ़ाई जाए.
Greenery, you see, it
leaves.
absorbs this carbon dioxide. So by absorbing carbon dioxide, it protects the atmosphere. That's why we want cities to be green,
Right.
so that all this pollution which comes, it will be absorbed by the plants. You see. So there is a role for the greenery in the pollution thing or in the climate change.
Right. In fact, we were talking about one more thing, which was mitigation and adaptation. थोड़ा सा हमारे दर्शकों को उसके बारे में बताएं कि किस तरह से these two can contribute towards.
Mitigation we have more or less talked about.
Right.
And, by reducing your emissions,
Right.
carbon dioxide and so on. So that is one way of mitigating.
Protecting, yeah.
But it will take a long time before it changes the climate in the reverse way. The other is the adaptation. Now, adaptation is that if the monsoon, which you talked about, is irregular, or if the temperature is now increased, then we need plants which can survive at a higher temperature
Yes.
and
heat,
in a
yes.
relatively drought situation. So we have to develop crops which can withstand this climate change. And there are number of crops, number of institutions which are doing research on this. That is, develop crops which will withstand climate change.
Right.
So that is the adaptation part of it, that you ensure that your agriculture is not badly affected, but it is, you change the cycles, you change the crop so that it adapts to the climate change that is taking place.
Yes, that's one of the most important things in fact, अगर देखा
Yeah.
जाए. But यहाँ से Fernandikar ji, if we were to ask you, what do you see as the future of the world, not even the nation for that matter? Nation is a very small picture. On a global level, if we look upon it, obviously climate change के
You see,
effects सभी जगह हो रहे हैं.
I am looking at the developed countries. There is they will be less affected than the developing countries, because the developing countries, if you see around the globe, they are near the equator, and equator is the hottest part of the earth. So, and that part of the earth is going to be affected much more than the temperate zones like or North America, Canada.
Yes.
So they are going to be less affected than
Compared to
countries
the
like
ones who are
India,
closer, yes.
which is very close to
Right.
the equator.
Yes.
So we have to have technologies which there are a number of technologies which are developed by countries like US and so on, which will help us to reduce the global warming or reduce the emissions which are coming out. So these technologies must be made available in the in the interest of the global considerations, that these technologies must be made available to us at a very reduced price or free, so that we can use those technologies and reduce the pollution that is taking place. So if this cooperation comes, I think the future of the
World, for that matter.
it will
Slightly
be
better
safer
picture.
than
Yes.
what it is now.
Obviously, yes, but somewhere it's said कि for any kind of a change to happen, it has to first start from within. So अगर हम अपने अंदर से बात करें और आपसे पूछे small little efforts जो आप हमारे दर्शकों को आज बताएं, जो वो खुद कर सकते हैं ताकि they can contribute in a small way towards a big change, which is a better change for the future.
No, as I said, it is economy in different things like use of electricity, use of water, use of even food. We waste so much of food. So these are the kind of things which in small ways, if we do, then I think we can
In fact, for that
reduce
matter,
the rigor of.
जब आप बोलते हैं कि यूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड फूड कंजम्पशन जो हो रहा है एंड वेस्ट को बचाना, वी कैन ऑल्सो टॉक एंड रेफर टुवर्ड्स सोलर कुकर्स एंड द यूज ऑफ
Yeah.
सोलर एनर्जी, which in itself has all the positive effects rather than any negative effects.
Yeah. Solar cookers are not very popular because they have not been useful, or I think the women probably are not used to that kind of technology. I don't know, but they have not become popular.
Yes.
But solar energy, use of solar energy is absolutely necessary.
Yes.
Every house, if the roof, if they put the solar panels, I think the house can become self-sufficient in energy.
Yes, right. So समवेत देखा जाए कि छोटे छोटे मतलब जो तरीके होते हैं अगर हम यूज़ करें तो अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं टुवर्ड्स शुड वी से क्लाइमेट चेंज के एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स बताने के लिए. वन ऑफ द मेजर कंट्रीब्यूटर्स वी ऑल नो इज ऑब्वियसली सेविंग द कंजम्पशन ऑफ लाइट, एंड हम जानते ही हैं कि हर साल दिन में 1 घंटे के लिए इट्स ऑब्जर्व्ड एज एन अर्थ आवर, जिसमें इट इज obviously said कि आप अपने घर की सारी लाइट्स वगैरह सब कुछ बंद रखें 1 घंटे के लिए. You could contribute in your own little way towards protecting climate change. It just requires a small effort from your end, which is to switch off all the lights in your home for an hour. हम कितनी बार गर्मियों में बिना बिजली के घर पे रहते हैं, लेकिन अगर कभी 1 घंटे के लिए हम दिन में समय निकालें जिस समय अर्थ आवर होता है, कि हम उस समय किसी भी तरह से लाइट का यूज ना करें, देन यू नेवर नो how the small effort, small contribution from your end could actually lead towards a major positive change of protecting the climate or protecting the environment from climate change. वेल ऑन दैट नोट पनांडकर जी, आप आज यहाँ स्टूडियो पर आए, आपने यहाँ हमसे बातें करी और इतनी यूजफुल टिप्स आपने दी हैं. इट वाज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ प्लेजर हैविंग यू फॉर द सेकंड टाइम इन द स्टूडियोज वंस अगेन, एंड वी डेफिनेटली होप कि आपने जो बातें आज हमारे दर्शकों को बताई हैं, व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लाइमेट चेंज दे विल बी सीकिंग एंड टेकिंग वर्ड फ्रॉम दैट. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.